What if I told you there's a secret financial club, one that consistently charges lower fees, pays you more interest, and exists solely to serve its members rather than squeeze profit from them? It sounds too good to be true, right? Yet every year, millions of Americans discover the power of credit unions and transform their financial lives. Today, you will learn exactly what a credit union is, why it could be the smartest move you make in your 20s, and how to join one in minutes. Stay with me, because at the end, I'll reveal a budgeting hack that pairs perfectly with your new credit union account, so you won't want to miss it. A soft chuckle. Don't worry, there's no secret handshake, just a simple membership form and a vision of financial freedom. Why bank fees are silent wealth killers? Imagine opening your checking account with pride, only to see hidden maintenance fees quietly nibbling away at your balance each month. Overdraft charges sneak up on you like a late-night text from an ex. Unexpected and costly. If you're saving for your first luxury vacation or plotting an early retirement, those fees become a drain on your dreams. The average American pays more than $300 in bank fees every year, money that could instead be fueling a high-yield savings account or covering that lease on your dream car. The fear of watching hard-earned cash evaporate is real, and it's exactly why you need an alternative. What a credit union really is. A credit union is not a bank. It's a member-owned cooperative built around the simple idea that your money should work for you, not the other way around. When you deposit funds, you become an owner with an equal vote in how the institution is run. Profits aren't siphoned off to distant shareholders. They're returned to you through higher interest on your savings and lower rates on loans. Picture a community of like-minded individuals pooling resources to help each other buy homes, pay for education, or launch businesses, while you reap the rewards of belonging. That sense of excitement, knowing your financial partner is on your side, can be a powerful motivator to take control of your money. Credit unions versus banks, the real comparison. When you compare numbers side by side, the difference is striking. A typical bank might charge $10 a month for checking, while a credit union often waives that fee entirely. Auto loan rates at big banks can hover near 8%, whereas credit unions routinely offer rates closer to 5 or even 4%. On the savings side, you might earn a meager 0.05% APY at a national bank, but 0.5% or more at a credit union. That gap might look small on paper, but over years of saving, it translates into thousands of dollars in extra interest in your pocket. Don't let hidden fees and low rates sabotage your goals. Recognizing this contrast is the first step toward financial empowerment. How to become a member in minutes. Joining a credit union is simpler than signing up for your favorite streaming service. Most have an online application where you open what's called a share account with as little as $5. That small deposit secures your membership and voting rights, instantly making you an owner. Eligibility often hinges on your employer, your community, or even your college alumni network. But the criteria are usually broad enough that nearly everyone qualifies. Within days, you'll have access to all the benefits: free checking, high-yield savings, low-cost loans, and a voice in elections that determine your board of directors. The excitement of realizing how accessible this is, less than the cost of your weekly coffee habit, should spark a sense of urgency. Why wait? Potential downsides and quick fixes. Yes, credit unions sometimes have fewer physical branches and ATMs than big banks. But most belong to shared branch networks numbering in the tens of thousands, and they reimburse out-of-network ATM fees. If you travel, simply plan ahead by locating partner ATMs via a mobile app or deposit checks remotely with your phone's camera. A small inconvenience can easily be overcome, and it's a worthy trade-off for the drastically better rates and minimal fees you'll enjoy. Maximizing your new membership. Once you're a member, don't treat your account like a simple alternative to a bank. Set up direct deposit so your paycheck lands immediately into your high-yield share account. Automate transfers to your savings sub-accounts. Think of them as digital envelopes earmarked for rent, travel, or that Tesla down payment. Vote in board elections to ensure leadership stays focused on members' needs. Refer friends and family to unlock bonus incentives, because each new member makes the cooperative stronger and your community richer. A lighthearted aside, Bonus bragging right? Next time someone talks about banking, you can correct them. I'm an owner, not a customer.